In the last lecture, we have created a small component of user list which is just showing a heading, and we wrote a test case. So in this lecture, we'll continue doing an actual TDD, right? So I'll do a test driven development and we'll see how it can be done. So the next thing which I want to do is on my component, I want a button. So say suppose we are calling a third party a REST service and I want to load users from that REST service. So I should have a button which I can click and load the users. So let's first write the test and then we'll write the actual code. So I'll say should show a button for getting users, right? Now, so this test case will for sure fail. Why? Because I don't have a button on my uh, component, right? So I'll say user list, user list, right? And then finally I'll say expect get by role, and I'll say by role is button, right? So what I'm saying is that please load the user list component, and once the user list component is loaded, then check that the role of button should be there in the document. Now button is a string, right? So let's see if this test case passes. Okay, right? So now it is failing. It is saying I am not able to find the button. So now my test case is failing. Let's try to pass this test case, right? This is all what we say TDD. I'm first writing the test case. My test case is failing. Now I'm writing something to pass that test case, right? Button, say role equals to button. Sorry, not role. It is type is equals to button. And I'll say load users, right? Now, because in React, I can have only one top level component, so I'll say I will wrap them in a fragment. So this is my component and this is my button. And now if you see, my test case is passing, right? Because we are also showing this text, let's also add this in our assertion. So I'll say not by get by text. Sorry, we don't want to get anything. I'll say to have text content, right? And what is the content? Load users, right? Awesome. So now what we have done is we have done a proper TDD where we wrote the test case first. The test case was failing, then we wrote the component and the test case passed. I hope this helps to make everyone understand TDD, why it is good, because once when I am writing the test case, I am actually thinking what should be there in my component. Once that is done, it's very easy to go back to the component and actually add those things, right? So this is the first test case which we have written using TDD. In the next lecture, I will also show you how we can actually click on this button in our text and see the actual end result which a user will see when he is clicking on this button. So that's all for this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. And please do let me know in case I can help you with your queries or if you want me to cover any particular topic. Thanks, everyone.